You will never ever become a profitable trader unless you understand this.
Hi, if you are ready to start trading the Forex market like a pro, even as a complete beginner, this is your golden ticket. No fluff, no stress, just straight to the point.
The first step is to click the link in our bio or the link in the description below this video to access our Telegram channel. Once you're in our Telegram channel, click on the pinned message. So you will go to the link they provided, the Exness link, and you're going to select that Exness link. Once you're in your browser, you are going to click on register. So when you click on register, you're going to verify if you're a human, which most websites do. So we've verified. The next thing is to select our country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll be selecting Nigeria. Okay, and then I'll input the email address I want to create this account with. So I'll be putting my email. I'll be putting the password. Please always do make sure you use a password you can remember, or you can write it somewhere safe. Right? So I'm inputting my password. Now we'll click on continue. When it brings us here, we don't want to create our trading account yet because we have not yet verified it. So we click on the X and click on the three horizontal bar above. We select Exness products and go to our personal area. The next step is to complete our profile. Alright, because if you don't complete your profile, you are going to have some limitations in the account. So we're going to be completing our profile, and we have to confirm our email address, confirm our phone number, and also add our profile information. Please make sure every information you are putting here is your real data, the same way you do when you are creating a bank account. So let's confirm our email. Now they've sent a code to our email, so let's go to our email and input the code. I've received the message, so we're going to be copying this code, this verification code, and we'll paste it here. Alright, so that's it. We are done confirming our email address. So the next thing is to confirm our phone number and also add our profile information. Alright, so follow the prompt and complete this process, this verification process. Once you are done, you are going to get an email that your account is already verified. Now our account is showing fully verified, and you see that the deposit limit is unlimited. Alright, so the next thing to do is to click on the three horizontal bar above, and we're going to select our trading, then we'll go to my account. Now this is where you can create our real account or our demo account. So first, let's create a real account. Tap on open account, and we have standard account, we have the pro, we have the raw spread, we have the zero, and we have the standard cents. But for beginners, it's advisable you use your standard account. So we'll click on continue for our standard account. So we make sure the first thing to do is to select your real. Make sure your currency is in USD. Alright, or you can select any currency of your choice. We have the Saudi, Singapore, Thai, Ukraine, but I'm working with USD. The username is not really important, you can change it if you want. Then for our max leverage, we are going to be selecting 1:2000, because we can't select 1:unlimited because we have a particular lot size we have to trade before we are able to access that particular offer. So our platform, will leave it at MT5 because it's user friendly. Then we'll go to our trading password. Please always have it in the back of your mind that the password you are going to use here, it's the same password you are going to use when you are linking this account to your MT5. So we are going to be inputting our password After which we will now click on create account. Now we've created our real account. All right, so the next thing we are going to be doing is to link this real account we just created to our MetaTrader 5. So what you are going to be doing is to tap on this more. We'll select account information. It is going to display the whole information we need to be able to link this account to our MT5. So we have Exness MT5 free of our server and MT5 login. So we are going to be going to our MetaTrader 5. Once you open your MetaTrader 5, just like I have on my screen, my major pairs are BTC and XAUSD. You click on settings. So you go to settings and you select new account. All right, or select new account, you go to that search button, you type in Exness Technologies. So we're going to select this Exness Technologies Limited. Now if you come here, you are going to see your server. Your server is Exness MT5 Real 10. Make sure it tallies with the same server that you have here, all right, in your account information, Exness MT5 Real 10. So we have the same thing. If it does not tally, you come here and you select the server that matches with the server you have in your account information. So we have Exness MT5 Real 10. So that's what we're working with. Then the next thing to do is to go and copy our login details. So head over here, copy our login details and paste it here. All right, now if you remember, when we are creating this Exness real accounts, we had a password that we kept aside. So that password you used, you are going to input it here. After doing that, we will now click on sign in. So once you sign in, it's going to bring you to your trade where you see your account balance is 0.00 because you've not made any deposit yet. If you missed any step, it's going to show you account invalid, meaning some details or some info, you mixed something up or you made mistake with a number. The same way we created the real account, that's the same way we are going to create our demo account. Same process. So select your demo and go to open account. Once you tap on open account, you are going to select your standard, same way we did. You continue, then select demo, make sure it's demo, then your US is there, your USD currency is there. Now your starting balance, I'm going to be working with 1000. all right, you can set it to any amount, but make sure it's the same amount you know you will use when you go live. So I'm going to be changing this 500 to 1000. So my nickname doesn't matter. So our leverage, we're going to leave it at 1-2. Then our platform MT5. Then for our trading password, put something you will always remember, and it must be unique. All right, so after that we click on create account. So our account is ready, and like you can see on the screen, we have our $1000 USD showing there. So we'll tap on more, select account information, and now if you notice, the server here is different because this is a demo account. Our server is showing MT5 trial 9. All right, so we're going to copy just our MT5 login and head over to our MT5. So we'll do the same thing. We'll go to settings, we'll select a new account, we select Exness Technologies, then we select for our server MT5 trial 9. Then we'll go ahead and paste the login details we just copied. Now for our password, we are going to input the same password we used when we are creating this account. Right, so after that we are going to click on sign in, and here we are, $1000 demo account. So with this, we can use it to practice, we can use it to like check our signals, we can use it to test our signals before depositing into your main account. So whatever you do here, it's the same thing you're going to be doing on your live account. So this is just a dummy account. The only difference is you can trade here, you can execute here, but you cannot withdraw the money you make here, or you are not losing any money, you have nothing to lose. So do try out the demo account first as a beginner before going to live account. See you in our next video.